Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious blueberry bagels. First, activate your yeast by combining warm water, a bit of sugar, and the yeast itself. Then, mix in bread, flour, and salt, kneading the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Allow this dough to rise in a warm spot until it has doubled in size, which usually takes about 1 hour. Once your dough has risen, divide it into equal portions, aiming for about 100 grams per bagel. Now, carefully fold in your fresh or frozen blueberries, making sure they are evenly distributed throughout each piece of dough. Then, shape each portion into a classic bagel form, creating a hole in the center with your thumb or a dowel. The next crucial step is boiling. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add a tablespoon of malt barley syrup for that authentic bagel chew. Carefully drop in your shaped bagels, boiling them for about 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side. This quick boil sets the crust and gives them their signature texture. After boiling, place them on a wire rack to drain. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the boiled bagels on a baking sheet and bake them for 18 to 22 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade blueberry bagels fresh, perhaps with a smear of cream cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.